Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I really thought it was gonna be a cold morning, but guess not. It feels pretty good outside. I'm gonna make a quick video today. I'm gonna go get I went yesterday and got some new tires. Well, they're not really new, they're used tires for this truck and this size rims. I still have not found any tires for the 20s that I have laying over there. Still looking. It's like what I want is just hard to come by right now, but I did find some tires for the 18s that I have. Like I said, I know in previous videos I've told y'all, but I'm running 37 1250 18s, but I found some cheaper 37 1350 18s, so I went and got those because they're just a little wider tire. And I mean, I'll show y'all right now. I like the way these look, but I really like the way the 1350s look, just because they're a little wider. They gonna stick out a little bit. If you see, the tires kind of it looks really slim. So if I back up, I got the tires already in the back of my truck, so that difference. And then you see these are a little wider. These are the same ones I used to have back on. They're the Cooper STT Pros. Same ones that I used to have whenever I was running my 12Ys. If y'all see my previous videos, I do have these tires on them. But like I said, those are now for the 18s, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna switch them out. Put the 1350s on here, and like I said, still keep looking for the other ones. They should have about the same tread. They look about the same. And I'll get my brother's tire tread meter and measure them, and we can see what it's looking like. But yeah, I'll take y'all through and show y'all the new setup whenever I get them put on, a little bit when I head to work. But yeah, these are the old tires, and I'm gonna sell these. Like I said, I'll keep the other ones. They got that. Neither set has plugs or patches on them, so I mean they're pretty solid tires. But like I said, I'm just gonna want a little wider tire. And I know, like I said, it just looks a little skinnier, but we'll see. I'm gonna see if I can get put one tire on one side and the other one on the other, and kind of see if we can do a visual of the difference between them, and we'll go from there. But yeah. All right, guys. So there's the two side by side. The Cooper's on the left, and the Canatis are on the right. The Cooper's a 1350, Canatis a 1250. It's kind of hard to tell, but the Cooper's just a little bit wider. It's just hard to tell because these are 1250s, and that's a 1350. But it's about the best side by side. Probably sit right here, just a little bit wider. But we'll see what it is when it's on the truck. We'll go from there. All right, guys. So the first tire's mounted up. It's got a little bit of, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let me see. I think it sticks out a little bit more than the 1250s. But let me show y'all. It's hard to tell, but it's on there. It looks good. We're gonna. Oh yeah, it sticks out just a little bit more than the other one. It's not big difference, but we'll see how these ride. But I'm gonna keep these because, like I said, these are 1350s. That's it. truck is all done. I didn't want to film inside there because there's another customer in there, and I don't think you want to be filmed. But shout out to South Georgia Tire. They always helping me out, you know, getting me set up. So yeah, till next time when I get my tires for those 20s, then we'll, you know, film those. But yeah, South Georgia Tire, thank you.